Hey guys, welcome to the garage, or as I've liked to call it for the last few months, where projects come to die. I've been kicking around the idea of making a forge for quite a while now. It's probably been about a year, and tried designing different ideas out of an old ammo box, out of an old air compressor tank, and I just got thinking, like, this is way too big, way too big. So I went and bought some fire bricks, and just kind of mocked stuff up on the bench, and this is what I came up with. So I bought a couple of these pipe stands. Well, they're not pipe stands, they're stands made out of pipe from a lady here in town, and I think they were using it just as a divider. Now it turns out that the pipe here is the right size for my burner to go through. And so here it is. The bottom is just 2x2 angle iron. Made myself a 9x9 box, stuffed some fire brick in it, and stood up a couple on the sides and two across the top. Now the top is a divider that was actually in the ammo box. It was the perfect size, but as you can see, it warped from welding and it's obviously too thin. So if I end up changing the fire bricks out, I'll probably just build an angle iron top on there and then weld my holder for my burner in there. The burner here is just a copy off the internet of, I think, a Riel inspired burner made out of black pipe, and it works fantastically. You can see in the background is my treadmill that I tore apart for my next project of a 2x72 belt grinder. So I'm going to fire this thing up, and we'll show you a little bit about it. So I got it running on low right now. Gotten acetylene regulator on my propane bottle, works just fine. Got it turned down to about 50 psi. You don't need anything more than that. That seems to be burning just fine. I'm going to walk around the other side here. So on the back side, I just welded a couple chunks of angle iron. I thought there's got to be a way to put some ink in here. So with those set there, I can just drop another fire brick in there and cover up the back. I'm going to crank this thing up now. I don't think this thing's ever going to get the forge welding temperature, but it'll definitely be able to move some metal. That's on full blast there. I mean, I can reach down and turn the regulator up to about 75 psi. Just shut that off. So there it is. That's my gas forge. A couple things that I need to change on it. My hose system to my tank. I want to add a plate across here just so I got something to rest my stuff on. Fill the center up full of refractory cement. Give me another ½ inch or so there. And then a nice level bottom, obviously. So I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited to see what kind of stuff I can be able to turn out and make some gifts, maybe make some stuff that I can sell and, make a little bit more money for myself. Thanks for watching. Leave some comments. Appreciate it.